Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Time for Black Friday preview sale, preview video number one. Today is, well, you're watching this on Thursday the 18th. I'm filming it on the 13th. The Thursday the 18th. The sale will start Thursday the 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. It will go through till Monday the 29th at midnight Eastern Time. This is preview video number one. I'm going to show you around 7 watches, and then preview video number 2, which will be this coming Tuesday. I'll show you around another 7 or 8 watches. I'm going to talk about what the sale prices will be, so you can check it out. So it's a total of 14 watches, but on those sale pages, and I'll link to the sale page below, Black Friday sale page. You will find about 150 or so watches that will be on sale. Now, when you go to that page, it's important. Just note that the prices have not dropped yet. The prices will drop on Thanksgiving Day, the 25th, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so I'm saying, oh well, you said it was this price, but it's still this. Just wait. You have to be ready to buy Thursday at 1 p.m. or anytime that weekend. But some items obviously do sell out pretty quickly. My own wrist check really quick. I'm doing the Salamander ISL 37 and my polished Matic Blue. Like I said, I do this sale. I've been doing this sale every year for kind of, it's got to be almost 10 years at this point. I think it started around 2012 or so that I started doing this really big sale. Like I said, so it's called the Black Friday sale, but it really starts on the day before Thursday, the 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Lots of watches to see. I'm only going to scratch the surface to show you like 10% of them between Black Friday preview video number 1 and number 2, which will come out next week. That's about it. Let's see the deals. So I do this sale, obviously one of the big reasons is to try to turn merchandise into cash for the coming year so I can buy more stuff, etc. But as I get deeper and deeper into Islander watches and I grow the brand, I do find the need to move out some of the older styles to make room both physically and financially for newer stuff that's coming out next year. So you will see, I want to say, I think there's like 17 Islander SKUs that are going to be on sale. So definitely the most populous by any amount will be Islanders. I have 2 to show you today and then 5 other watches. But let's start with what I consider to be probably one of the best deals that I'm going to be offering. This is the Islander ISL 65. Clearly a samurai-inspired design, though it is not the samurai case. It is a little bit smaller because it does accept SKX 007 bezels and inserts and hands. Dials, chapter rings. Does not take 007 bracelets though. This is a unique bracelet for this model. NH36 movement, hand winds, hacks, sapphire crystal, sapphire bezel, glows in the dark. I'm not going to go too much into detail obviously on the watches. I want to spend maybe a minute or 2 each and that's it. So it's a super duper watch. It looks phenomenal. This is normally I'm selling them for $329. So you ready? This one's going to be $199. Again, when that sale starts, Thursday, the 25th, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I think it's gonna be. This is a knockout value. Really, honestly, I think this watch should sell a lot better. It sold very well the first time I had it, but then yeah, I guess older styles kind of get old. So it's time for this one actually to be moved out and retired. Second watch I want to show you is this beautiful Billiere BR15. It's this green dial aviator pilot, a la Zenith pilot. It's around a 43mm diameter watch. It's a dome mineral crystal, automatic citizen motor movement. Beautiful strap. Really nice looking, nice stitching, nice padding. Hear that wind, okay? But the standout here is the green dial. It's got a date window, which some people I know probably abhor, but beautiful green dial. Looks really nice. A couple more Billieres that are going to be up for sale as well. This guy normally $329. When the sale starts, he will be, or she, will be $235. So after many years of carrying Timex, I'm actually getting out of the Timex business. I don't know, I feel like it's time for me to exit. Will I get back into it? I might one day, but for now, I'm just selling down whatever remaining stock I have. To me, they hit a high when they did the Q. The Q sold unbelievably well for me. When the Q came out, sold out immediate. I was able to get in a whole bunch. I sold 260 of them in something like 3 hours. It was absolutely insane. But since then, I'd say that Timex has kind of ridden the Q horse to death. So here's another iteration of it. It's regular 3-hander quartz, 0 ticking, day and date on this nice mesh bracelet. Normally this watch is $179. I'm going to have them at $147. Timex branded keeper clasp. There's the model number information. It's got that nice high dome acrylic or plastic crystal. Battery hatch for easy strap changes. I mean, it is a nice looking watch. Just right now, it doesn't really fit where Island watch is going. In my opinion, Timex might be back, but for now, I'm kind of trying to get away from the brand. So now here's a brand that you might be surprised to see. This is a brand that normally does not go on sale anywhere. It's new to me. Well, not new to me. New to the store by about 6 or 8 months or so. But we have some models that we have been authorized to reduce a bit, reducing some of them by 20%. This Santa Cruz is one of them. Normally $700. It will be $560 for those 5 days. I don't have many of these, so I don't expect them to last, considering it's a watch that never goes on sale. It is powered by a Miyota 9015 movement. There was also the no date variant and some others, like I said. Miyota 9015, which is a 8 ticks per second movement. Beautiful textured dial, if I can pick it up there. There we go. Nice brushed blue aluminum or steel bezel. Beautiful bracelet. Look at that clasp. Bracelet held together with screws. Really nice. At $700, great watch. At $560, an absolute steal. Going back to the Islander theme, this is my favorite, the ISL 18. No, I'm not discontinuing this watch. This is an SKX 007 size watch, 42, 43 millimeter, 120 quick bezel, embossed ceramic bezel insert. Beautiful sapphire crystal, NH36 movement. Normally $329. I'm reducing it a bit, a little, maybe about 20%, I guess, going down to $275. Why? I'm simply just overstocked on it. It's been a bestseller. It still is. I'm pretty sure it still is my #1 selling model. But at this point, I'm kind of a little bit overstocked. I have many pieces, so I'm looking just to reduce that down a bit. I think it's a wonderful watch. At $329, it's a wonderful watch. Hopefully at $275, it can make it into your collection if you don't already own one. I own it in a couple of different varieties. Etching of Long Island on the back. 3-position micro adjust. Bracelet held together with screws. Let's unscrew the crown to show you. There you go. Hand winds, hacks, day date, and of course that breathtaking, beautiful blue dial. So on Thursday, the 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, this guy will be lowered to $275. I really want to add some Orient to the mix, so this watch I feel this watch is overpriced, to tell you the truth, at $415, which is what we sell it at, which is what, kind of we're supposed to sell it at. This is the Trident Neptune kind of reissue, if you will. They lost the power reserve meter on the reissue when they redid the watch. Not sure why. So this will be $332 in 3 different color ways. I'm showing you the black one today. Beautiful 120 click unidirectional ratcheting bezel. Nice bezel insert, which we actually happen to sell a sapphire insert for this guy. Blue and black if you want it. It fits here. Nice bracelet, held together with pins. Nice clasp, flip lock, fold over. There you go. Let's see, it's got the nice red tipped Orient seconds hand. Yeah, everything about it, just a really nice watch. Again, it's a kind of a shame and a pity they did away with the Neptune, the Triton, but this is what came out of it. This is the RA-ACOK series. So again, on Thanksgiving Day at 1 p.m., they will be $332. Maybe this is fortuitous, maybe it's not. It is starting to thunderstorm really bad, so if you hear thunder, I apologize. Seiko SARX, SARX 053, probably the best deal of the day. So this watch is part of the Presage collection. Beautiful blue enamel dial. White. There is no lume. White hands. Runs on a 6R15 movement. Here you can see what the price is, $1,050. At the aforementioned time, this watch will come down to $799, which is an absolute steal of a deal. I did the SARX 057 last year. on Black Friday, and they sold out lickety split. Some of you might be asking me, Mark, where is the Squale Ocean, or you've done the 1521s the last few years. Unfortunately, this year Squales will not be part of the sale, so if you're waiting for them, don't. If you want one, buy it, because the Oceans, they're around, they're not around. Beautiful folding clasp. This is actually a real, I think this is a real croc strap. Super duper nice. Really cool. So this guy will be from $10.50 down to $7.99. So that is that's going to finish it up. So like I said, I showed you 7 watches today. I will do another Black Friday preview video in a few days, probably the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. That'll be Black Friday preview number 2. I'll try to show you another 7 or 8 watches. But remember, these guys have a lot of friends. There's about 150 watches on our Black Friday sale page, which I will, of course, link to below. And check it out. So it has been Mark from LongOutWatch.com showing you my Black Friday preview number 1. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Put your comments down below. I'll be honest with you guys. I'll read them. I'm probably not going to be able to respond or address them because right now, this time of year, just super duper busy. But I appreciate all the comments and feedback. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.